Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trade for Attendees. I have some exciting news to announce this week. Is that we did a lot of work on this TradeIV app, and I want to share with you a couple of these features. Now, first, if you don't have a TradeIV access, you can go to TradeIV.com and then sign in with your existing Google account. You don't need to make a new account or anything. You can sign in with your existing account, and you'll be able to access this tool right here. This is a tool that we built internally, and I'd like to share with you some of the new features. Now, first, I'd like to dock it to the side like this because you want to focus your main trading broker over here. TradeIV is just a supplement tool. It's not a broker. You can't make trades on it, but it will give you all the information you need for a specific stock. So the new feature that I want to announce this week is first is the crypto widget. So as you can see, we have a sentiment widget down here for crypto. It tells you the overall sentiment of crypto in the market right now, so you can know exactly what people are thinking. And up here, you have a list of top 10 coins currently by market cap. And if you want to learn more about it, you can just click on it and open a new tab, and you can learn more about the crypto. Now, we added a new submenu here. One is for the market. So when you click on that, it'll tell you the exactly stats of the crypto market right now, like the overall market cap, the past 24 hours value, and how many coins together are there, etc. Now here are all the top gainers and losers of the crypto. So you can tell right away who are the most gainers in the past 24 hours and who are the main losers. So you can click on them, obviously, to get more information about the coins. And then you have the news section where you can see all the news about a specific crypto world. So you can read about all the news about crypto. And it's very useful if you want to keep up to date with what's going on in the crypto world. So this is our crypto widgets. You can click on here and then you can access all of these submenus. It's very handy. It gives you information very quick, and it will allow you to make nice decisions. Now the next feature I want to share is the scanner widgets. Now this widget has been revamped to give you more information. Now obviously, if you're a long-time user, you already know about our IV scanner. This is a scanner that tells you all the stock with the highest amount of IV, implied volatility. This means this stock can move very fast and they can move very big. So if you're an option seller or something, you're pretty much a gambler, you like to gamble on these stocks, these are the stocks that you want to look into. So that's the original IV scanner. And we added a new scanner called ARK. Now ARK is a fund made by Cathie, and people have been following her for a long time. And whenever she buys something big, the stock tend to go up in the next day, and vice versa. If you sell something, the stock tend to go down. So this is the ARK scanner that we made. We look at their disclosure. So every day, Cathie would disclose what trades that she's been making in all of her funds. Now we capture this information and present it to you in this nice widget here. It tells you the date, the symbol, the fund, and what she was doing to that. So for example, on 9/17, she bought $21 million worth of Google stock, right? So as you can tell, like just by this, the act of her buying or selling something, it can move the market. So this is something that's pretty useful to a lot of people, and if they want all of this information in one place, here's where you would go. So this is the widget for ARK, and we plan to add a lot more widgets down here to give you more information about different stocks, like maybe shorting ratio, like stocks with a lot of shorts interest. So things like that to help you make your trading decisions. So this is the TradeIV app right now, and I highly recommend you to go there to TradeIV.com and then press sign in with a Google account. So here you can, if you want to see how it works, you can click on watch demo and it'll show you how this app works. So yeah, it's completely free, and make sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.